anything you must say from the dead there. He would you all get from. Welcome to Sasanda Family Business. The goat stock. Let's talk about goats. Today, it has been a beautiful day. We're gonna speak about treatment after autopsy in goats family. Treatment after autopsy in goats family. Abadde vehicle videos after the days I say me kwa fi ngo abakumbuzi n'endi gash. Batwina orane betwafu ni wamita. So yabu nenyo daw. Ujya mwoso club videos after obuke muzi mudachika. Izo kuara kumacha orikunu gefundi. Atebe eko governor kasera. I am about videos after following a follow-up for those videos and see. Now this is a treatment. Now we're talking about a treatment. After autopsy was done, after postmortem was done, they found out the diseases we have found. We spoke about those diseases. Now, the solution. This is the solution. If you look at that video, you see those ghosts trying to fight for their soul. It's one of the treatment. That salt, rule for the salt to give you goats. That salt has medicine too. And if you look on our video, they see the solutions. The medications they say, this English is too much more the Zumba city, so what about that? The Amazon, watch it. Ivomesi plus those biche or poly. Tiresome, Simani Ruzungu Jibum West Medical. There is you can read about that. Both are the medications I bought at the farm. For him to administer. Because that's what see his prescriptions. But we're prescribing, we are prescribing a date, yo. It is a war. You to glade. Cut. Get balada, got applying that medication about following up videos after. Those medications, as you should, the ghosts have already started with their soul. They are taking in that one. They are taking in the medications too. They are getting soul. So it helps them with thirsty and take a lot of water. Ghosts need a lot of water. And Ingo. Now, that salt has medication, has multiple purposes. It has in multiple medicines, bacterial medicines. That salt help them heal. It's part of treatment. That the issue is what type of salt are you buying for your animals, and where are you buying it from? This is the same thing I'm telling you. What type of meat are you eating? What type of meat are you feeding your family? What type of meat are you feeding your kids? Obunyama wobuchomo na wobula kukuwo. Buvawa omonichori savana wo. Embuta zuya kukuwa as treatinga. Yanko sisema mitzfam. Kubidara dia fet. Kubuchaza fet. Oblinyama eipo fudiowa. Avatubo. Opane widyakubarako. Sisanga. Goat's meat. Sisa. Verified by Sisanga. Verified by Sisavamis farm. Woman yatinya mayawe. Powerful evoco family yafet. So sorry. The repossessed and buzapins baboon. To manje to waband. We only bringing quality, not quantity. Quality. For those who are ready for quality. Abaro kora okuichi kuchirujing abari wase pavoning gosintes out. We have quality. We're ready to give you quality. So long as you can support, book our booking number is there on the screen. Book 0702 30 98 19. Book your goat's meat. Book your eggs. Book your chicken feet. Book your garden manure. Book hens. We have local chickens too. We have layers chicken. Book things you know as you look at our goats. Our goats are free range. You can't tell me that meat is gonna be the same as the meat which you guys get for those zero grazing system. My goats eat different grasses. My goats are naturally fed. My goats feed organically. You're gonna have good meat for your health, good meat for your family. Let us support local Ugandans who are coming up to do something better, something nice. Let's ask it this mindset. Let us help one another to reach that goal like these other outside countries have done that. You gotta be a Ugandan, fun to be a Ugandan. Love your country. That's when you gotta do better for your country. In goat farming, we cheat goats so that we can give you good health, as you saw in our past videos. Treatment is paramount now. In this type of treatment, after those goats have go through treatment, we gonna, if we are breathing them for 4-5 hours outside. Now that this week we're gonna increase, they're gonna be like 7 to 8 hours feeding. 7 to 8 hours feeding outside, fear and chasing. That's help them within. Now we're gonna give them more water and vitamins for them too, because they are pastoral treatment, that stress of treatment. Because when they're treating the goats, as I will be showing you the video which you're gonna shoot, they start stress, they pull, they get them, they try to hold them tight so that they can be treated. That's whole stress. How do we handle that? How do we handle these goats? And how is treatment applied to the young ones? And how is treatment applied to the big ones? All those, follow us our YouTube channel, our TikTok channel. Watch out for more. You will not be what? Watching for more. Somebody's trying to call me 100 times. My wife is calling, but I'm trying to show you the process we go in to make these goats look like that. This is no magic. No, this is real work. You have to pour in. You have to engage in. You have to take care. If you can't take care of yourself, that means you can't take care of these animals. Because these animals need a special care. They don't talk. You don't feel. For you will carry yourself. If you can't take care of yourself or your family, you can't take care of others. Now these animals are special. You gotta have to take care of them. So that you can get something out of them. I keep on telling you banani. Pusowola pungia. Chintu. Chirunji. Watasiga. Sigen noji. Ogafune chirunji. Gurembuzi. Bridian munch. Ogafuna echirunji. Funa virtual marunji. Ogafuna echirunji. One of the virtual mudu defise muziji bikatingo radi. Wakwinda muwich. Babu wazia. Enguzi derazunazuna. Babu stradinga. Then how do we cope up that? This is an investment. This is money put in there. Each goat you see there is no less than 450k. 450k. Each goat, that's the least. 350k. That's the least. This is money put in. This is something you invested in. You gotta take good care of it. Get special people to do this. Don't kaito. To read, watch a thing show. Uyakora kuviku kuyombe savant o madame brinja mze makura bumti mze makura bino pakwanze na libularia makura bi safait na sfeiki was sini tanga buyadar tuba nenya nina fitu nenya tuware til puba nifit hunyeting the puba omse yap sebi sitin twalo kumi omsidi kideo asat kufia kora janjavati agazi dobjavina janjavi. People, let's do diligence. Let's put in more. Bano tugia besiga basao bat. O visiga na wulara. To wisiga muntu. Bapura raku. Bakwete video. Bakwete city. Uravi bifana ni. Ku video bifana ni chi. Bibakutele deyo. Bifana ni chi. Biola biye. Bibakoze. Banino kuapu wi. Bitumba tumani. Kakasa imbuzebu wazijanja bichino. Kakasa tinchkore guanga whatever receipt ya. Kizigure gua. Kuduka brag shopu 88. Then, kujanja wabutut, o money system, ben a book of records, recording the treatments shizima. Record treatments of your gods. Kuvencha, we ready we will move. We're kugamba the word is round. We ready we move the zinuma of Akanakata Kozade. We ready we will move. Be recorded. Record the patterns ma e and buze no mamabunia desire. Laini ambuzeni wati lokuwaro brodi boot Senegal wow. Ichikati ambuzeni ya gara kuvi Kenya. Ikurab wich. Et ziwara nyo. Et is afezi rimu bibizilizitia.